Hamochi Cooking Craze Penang tutorial. Join the event. Tap the magnifying glass button. Tap the event button. Tap the Start Now button. You have entered the event page. Well done. Claim daily ticket. Every day you will receive a meal. Tap the Open button to open it. Wow, you have received 20 event tickets. Tap the OK button. Remember to log in every day to receive your tickets. Well done. Start game tutorial. Tap the tutorial button. Tap the click to continue dialog box. Tap the ingredients on top of kitchen table. Drag and drop the cooked food to the customer. If there's a fire, drag and drop the fire extinguisher to put it out. Remember to throw the burnt food into the bin. When you see a big yellow light bulb, tap it. Choose the correct answer. Tap the OK button. Awesome! It's rush hour now. Hurry and feed everyone. Careful, a wrong answer will set the kitchen on fire. Well done. Start a level. There are 15 levels in one event. Choose the first level and tap the Go button. Tap the Start button. Tap the Click to Start button to start the game. Well done. Claim rewards. You can unlock rewards by collecting stars. Go to each level to collect stars. Every level, you can receive up to 3 stars. Now you can claim the quest reward. Tap the OK button. Look, you have received a new quest. You can get event tokens by completing some of the quests. Tap the Visit Shop button. Use the event coins to buy yourself a nice outfit. Collect all stars to get a complete set. Great job, you have completed the tutorial.